I mostly love flowers for the cute planters, so let's make some. I mean, look at these. Hashtag plant goals, right? Look, the baking soda may seem out of place, but just go with it. Trust me. Yes, googly eyes are officially a supply item. You are in the right video. Hot glue guns can seem intimidating, but I promise you the more texture with these, the better. And you can use scissors to cut off those little hot glue strings before you paint. I mean, personally, I would keep the googly eyes as is, but you do you, you decide. So here's where that baking soda comes in. When you add it to paint, it really thickens it so you can coat the vase really well. Hey, enjoy this part. I find painting to be very therapeutic. You can really do this project on anything. You can use mason jars or even plastic planters. And a second coat of paint will really help you get that ceramic look. Guys, if these aren't Instagram worthy, I don't know what is. Thanks for watching. Join us next time on Craftbusters. Make sure to like this page, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. We love to hear from you.